Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need your iPhone unlocked and your Apple Watch on your wrist. Once done, open the Watch app on iPhone or long press the current face on the watch to enter face selection. Make sure Bluetooth is active so changes sync immediately. I'll show both paths, the Watch app gallery and the on-watch creator. First, in the Watch app, tap Face Gallery. On the watch, swipe left, tap the plus icon. This gets you straight to selecting or building a new face. Now you select a face style and customize it. You choose colors, typefaces, and complications because that's what makes a face useful to you. Once you tap a face in the gallery, scroll to complications and swap slots for the data you need. Make sure to use essential complications first. On the watch, use the digital crown to scroll options and tap each complication slot to change it. This controls what you see at a glance and reduces clutter. After customizing, tap Add in the Watch app or Set as Current on the watch to install the face. You'll see it appear immediately if Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. If a complication shows stale data or won't load, first restart both devices and confirm the companion app has permission for background data. Once done, make sure the app is updated. If problems continue, remove the face and re-add it or reinstall the companion app. That fixes most sync and data issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.